Okay, let me see if I can explain this exterior timeout safety timeout concept in addition to our regular timeout setup through the control board that has failed and caused continuous dispensing until customers' tanks are completely empty and creating some pretty big problems. So here's the idea, is that each pump or solenoid would have its own separate timeout feature, these countdown features here, okay? And this is how I just have it in this block, but the basic idea here is better illustrated here, okay? So this timeout, this timer here is settable, and this would be your power cord from this power cord just tied in. It's 12 volt. Okay, so this would tie in directly there. That's just going to power up your timer. All right. These wires here are what would tap in onto your Opto 22, where the signal comes into the Opto 22. So on your Opto 22, these would just tie in here where the signal comes from your control board to the Opto 22 to turn on your pump or solenoid, okay? And so what this does is whenever the customer selection turns on the pump or solenoid, it would trigger the countdown here, okay? But the interruption to the power is on the other side. So from your power box, your pump supply, these wires would wire in on this side here, okay? So your power, the power to your pump would be going through here, all right? It's interrupted here, okay? And so it has the potential to stop based off of this timer. And then the power has to go through this relay and then from here to your pump, okay? So it has the potential to be interrupted by this countdown. Now this countdown would just be set longer than the timeout in the control box system, and obviously which is also longer than the pulse. If those two failed, your pulse failed and your timeout built into your control board failed and power was still coming through, then when this timeout counted down to 0, it would interrupt the power outside of the regular control system to the pump and in the dispensing.